Okay, guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Hopefully, you guys got a little bit of information on genocides and even a little bit more on the Rwandan genocide yesterday from that little article. Today, we're going to kind of focus more on one specific genocide, and that's the one we're going to be looking at a lot, the Rwandan one. So, to kind of help us get some more background information, here's what you guys are going to do for today and tomorrow. So, two-part assignment, which means it's worth 20 points. Here's the directions. You guys are basically going to be creating your own news article. So the directions read, today and tomorrow you will research the Rwandan genocide and then write a news article informing the world on what has happened. Spend the first day researching the Rwandan genocide and try to find the causes, the impacts, how it started, how it ended, who was involved, how many people were killed, and other information. So that's today. Today's the first paragraph. You're just going to be researching. So try to find as much information as you can and try to find as much detailed information as you can. Yeah, like Wikipedia is a good place to start. There's going to be other articles out there you can find. There's YouTube videos out there that you guys can watch to kind of gain information. Utilize everything. Because tomorrow then, so I'll just read the directions. It says the next day you will write a 5 to 7 sentence news article summarizing the event. So you're going to be writing it as a news article. All right, so it's not like a report, it's like a news article. So keep that in mind. So make sure to use as much detail as possible to help paint a picture for your readers. Try to include names, locations, dates, statistics whenever possible. And then, so that's kind of the summary piece of it. And then end your news article with some personal thoughts on the event. So try to have all this tied up in like 5 to 7 sentences. So maybe 6 sentences on a summary, and then the last sentence is your personal thoughts or reflections on it. Okay, that's the assignment, guys. Today, just spend the whole hour finding as much information as you can on it. And then tomorrow, when you guys are back in this hour, just start writing your little news article. If you want to, you can on the top of your page, you can make up a newspaper name. So that'll be like your header, your title. So you can make up a newspaper name and then go from there. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Just email me. If you want to set up an individual Google Meet or Google Zoom, let me know. And for you guys, this is your last homework assignment of the week, because on Thursday, when this is due, we'll start watching the Ghost of Rwanda documentary, which is pretty crazy. So, but that's it, guys. Good luck working, and let me know if you need any help.